Design must enrich people's life. With design, we want to tell a story. You need touch the heart and you need touch the brain. Before we take a pen and start sketching, we identify a brand philosophy. Smart never has been a follower brand. So Smart stands for something new. Smart is progressive. Smart tries to foresee the future. As we created this little ForTwo to solve the problems in the city of just space and crowd, now it's getting adult, it's getting much more cool. So the new Smart will be much more premium, much more high-tech, not running behind any trend. For a designer, this kind of a brand philosophy is a dream. To be asked, wow, what's the next big thing? The design philosophy, we call it central producty. The centrality is just to attract people, it's the emotional part, and this producty is product design functional. Love, pure, unexpected. 3 keywords. Love, that's the attraction. That's just the emotional attraction. Pure, what is clean, product design, just not to overdo it with any features and lines. Keep it clean, keep it honest. Unexpected. We want to surprise people with special features, with hidden delights. Our halo roof. So it's just a flying roof. What is really unexpected, you have kind of a welcome show the car will do for you. So you have something happening in the lights, in the light bands. And you open the door and you see everything is flowing into the interior. The light band dissolves in little geometric forms. It looks like fireworks. It brings the car together. That's just a surprising feature. We want to connect people. We want to connect the car with the city. That's almost a purpose. So the connected car, that's our new goal. That's what's the future about.